ಹಲೋ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 50 ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇದೇನಾದರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ PDF ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನೀವು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಈಟ್ ಎನ್ ಆಪಲ್, ಇದು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಏಟ್ ಎನ್ ಆಪಲ್. ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಈಟ್ ಎನ್ ಆಪಲ್. ಶಿ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ದೇ ಪ್ಲೇ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್. ದೇ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್. He reads a book. He read a book. ರೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ರೀಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ರೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು. He will read a book. ಇದು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. We write letters. We wrote letters. We will write letters. She cooks dinner. She cooked dinner. She will cook dinner. I watch TV. I watched TV. I will watch TV. They visit the museum. They visited the museum. They will visit the museum. He drives a car. He drove a car. Drives ನ past tense ನಲ್ಲಿ drove ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. He will drive a car. Will ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I walked to the market. I walked to the market. I will walk to the market. She studies hard. She studied hard. She will study hard. We clean the house. We cleaned the house. We will clean the house. He listens to music. He listened to music. He will listen to music. They help their parents. They helped their parents. They will help their parents. I buy a new phone. I bought a new phone. I will buy a new phone. She drinks coffee. She drank coffee. She will drink coffee. They build a house. They built a house. They will build a house. He teaches math. He taught math. He will teach math. We drive to the beach. We drove to the beach. We will drive to the beach. I see a bird. I saw a bird. I will see a bird. They run fast. They ran fast. They will run fast. He cuts the vegetables. He cut the vegetables. He will cut the vegetables. I finish my work. I finished my work. I will finish my work. She meets her friend. She met her friend. She will meet her friend. They play in the park. They played in the park. They will play in the park. We learn new things. We learned new things. We will learn new things. He forgets his book. He forgot his book. He will forget his book. I take a shower. I took a shower. I will take a shower. They sell fruits. They sold fruits. They will sell fruits. She sings beautifully. She sang beautifully. She will sing beautifully. We dance at the party. We danced at the party. We will dance at the party. He washes the car. He washed the car. He will wash the car. I tell the truth. I told the truth. I will tell the truth. They wait for the bus. They waited for the bus. They will wait for the bus. She draws a picture. She drew a picture. She will draw a picture. I fix my bike. I fixed my bike. I will fix my bike. He swims in the pool. He swam in the pool. He will swim in the pool. We plan a trip. We planned a trip. We will plan a trip. They laugh at the joke. They laughed at the joke. They will laugh at the joke. I ride a bicycle. I rode a bicycle. I will ride a bicycle. She wins the race. She won the race. She will win the race. We celebrate a birthday. We celebrated a birthday. We will celebrate a birthday. He opens the door. He opened the door. He will open the door. I send a message. I sent a message. I will send a message. She gives a gift. She gave a gift. She will give a gift. They plant a tree. They planted a tree. They will plant a tree. We visit our grandparents. We visited our grandparents. We will visit our grandparents. He catches a fish. He caught a fish. He will catch a fish. I hear a noise. I heard a noise. I will hear a noise. She finds her keys. She found her keys. She will find her keys. ಹಾಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬೇಕೆಂದು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾನು ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.